Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing this Born Pretty 6-piece set. And this is a gel polish and it's a reflective gel polish. It is absolutely gorgeous. Wait until you guys see them. It has the regular instructions that it comes with, how to use them, how long to cure, etc. So I'm going to show you guys on what these colors look like on clear nails as well as the white nails that I have on right now, so you can see what they look like in two different backgrounds. And again, you can do it on black, you can do it on white, you can do it on regular color. And this is what they look like on the clear tips. You definitely want 2 coats to get the full effect. And depending on your strength of LED light, it takes between usually 30 to 60 seconds to fully cure. So now I'm going to show you with the flash on. The sparkle is so pretty. This is both the same color. One is on clear and one is on white. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. And same thing here. I'm going to line it up for you. Same color, one on clear and one on white. Check out the sparkle in this. Oh my goodness. I think this one was Logan, my son Logan's favorite. There's so much glitter. It's so pretty. And in the sunlight, it's even more. Right now this has flash on, but when you're out in the sun, think of a beach day. Oh my gosh. I think this one was probably one of my favorites. I just love that reddish pink undertone to this glitter. It is so pretty. Ugh. The sparkle. It's so hard to choose your favorite. I love this one too. And check out this last one. Isn't it beautiful? Let me know, guys, in the comments below to see what I would love to know which one is your favorite out of this set. And if you're interested in purchasing this set, I will have the link in the description box.